Hi all, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. My name is Nitin Kaplas. Let's talk about today's problem. A problem name is row with minimum number of ones. Let's read the question first. Our question said we are given a 2D binary matrix of dimension n cross m. We have to return the row number which contain the minimum number of ones. Here the notepad given, if two or more rows contain the minimum number of ones, we have to return the lowest of those indexing, right? Here the first example is where n is 4, m is 4. This is the matrix we are given, right? Here the second row contain the minimum number of ones, right? So let's understand this example. Here if you see, in the first row, my count is 4, right? In the second row, number of ones we have 2. In the third we have 2. In the fourth we have 4. It means that these two are the rows which contain the minimum number of ones. But we have to return the lowest index, which is this. So here the index is 1, but we have to return the row number. So here the second row, it means my output is 2 in this case. Okay, so it's a very easy question. So let's understand how we can solve this by doing coding. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I create a answer variable which tell me which row we have the minimum number of ones. Here I am initialized with 0. Okay, so here I am writing mini means how many ones right now we have, right? Let me write infinite we have. Okay, so inside this, what I'm doing, I just traverse how many rows we have, and in each row we have to count how many ones we have. Here I am creating the count variable for that. So here I am traversing each row from j0 to j less than m. Okay, so if a of ij equal to 1, we have to increment my count, right? When the first row is complete, I have to compare with my mini variable. Okay, so here if my mini is greater than my count, it means that we have the minimum number of counts. Let me update my mini here. So mini equal to count, and also we have to update that index. Here I am creating a answer, right? So we have to update with I plus 1. Why? Because we need the 1 base. We need the row number. That's why I plus 1. Okay. And in the end, we have my answer which have the minimum number of rows. So we just return that answer variable. Okay. So let's check it's working fine or not. Yeah, you see all the test cases are passed, right? So what's the time complexity here? Simply we are just traversing two loops. Outer is up to n and inner is up to m. So here my complexity is big of n cross m, and space is big of 1, right? Hope you understand this question and solution. Thank you so much.